Welcome everyone in Ocean of Homeopathy by Dr. Sarika Chopde. Today we'll discuss about very important topic, infertility. Infertility means there is inability to conceive pregnancy after trying for a certain period of time, usually around a year of regular and unprotected intercourse. Here are the some causes of infertility. As we know, uh, infertility is caused due to the hormonal imbalance. In female, you will find there is the blockage of the tubes. There is endometriosis, polycystic ovarian syndrome, uterine and cervical abnormalities. In male, you will find there is the low sperm count, means oligospermia. And there is also find hormonal imbalance in male also. You will find there is the ejaculation issues. There is also the varicocele of the testes and other genetic factors. Other than this, there, uh, there are other many factors are affecting in male and female. These are the lifestyle factors. Due to the smoking and excessive alcohol consumption, drug, drug use and alcohol, obesity and poor nutrition. All these factors can impact on the infertility. Due to the some conditions like diabetes and some autoimmune disorders also affect the infertility. And some unexplained causes are there. Today we'll discuss about the some homeopathic remedy which are used to treat the infertility. There is some myths that homeopathy acts slowly. But no, it's not like that. Homeopathy is very gentle and rapid cure. Please take homeopathy as a first choice of treatment. So it will help you very fast. As homeopathy is based on the holistic approach and individualistic approach. There is no specific remedy for any disease. But now we are discussing some remedies which are used for the infertility. These are the not specific remedies. Homeopath takes the whole case and then they use the treatment for the infertility. So arum metallicum is the one of the homeopathic remedy which is used for the treatment of the infertility. As arum, we know that this is the main elements are due to the depression is the main theme of the arum. And in arum, we find that there is the feeling of self-condemnation and the worthlessness. In arum metallicum, there is history of having high blood pressure, and there is the testicles and swelling of the testicles. In arum, you will find there is the low sex drive. And in female arum, there is the uterus and enlarge and the prolapse. Another remedy is the Agnus cactus. In Agnus, you will find there is the decreased sexual desire. and in female the leukorrhea is staining yellow colored. In cases of the male, there is the all parts are feeling cold and relaxed. And there is the emission issues. The emission is scanty emission without the ejaculation. In male patient, there is the swollen of the swollen testicles. Testes are the hard and painful, and yellowish discharge from the urethra in male. Another remedy is the borax. In borax, there is the vaginal discharge is very acidic and acrid. Due to the acidic and acrid vaginal discharge, they kills the sperm, and this is the main cause of infertility. And there is also, we'll find there is the pruritus of the vulva and the eczema. Another remedy is the lycopodium. Lycopodium is the most important remedy. In lycopodium, there is the no erection power and there is the premature emission. And if you give lycopodium in highest potency, it will help to increase the sperm count. Another remedy is the natrum carb. In natrum carb, you will find very characteristic symptom. There is the non-retention of the sperm, means there is the gushing of the seminal fluid as soon as it is ejaculated by the male in the female vagina. There is non-retention. Is the main cause of infertility. And in natrum carb, there is the bearing down feeling as if everything would come out. And in natrum, there is leukorrhea profuse, thick, yellow with putrid odor. And natrum have the excessive sexual desire. Another remedy is the sepia. As we know, sepia is the having the main theme that indifference, means she have the indifference to everything, like indifference to the sex. And in sepia, there is the sepia is used for the irregular or absent ovulation. When there is the ovulation is absent, you can use the sepia. And when you cannot find any cause, you can try the sepia. Another remedy is the pulsatilla. As we know that pulsatilla is a changeable remedy. And this symptom is found in the menses. The menses are always irregular. They never comes at the time or the expected date. And menses are always irregular menses and the scanty menses. Pulsatilla is usually used when there is polycystic ovarian disease. I used a pulsatilla many times and it gives fantastic result in polycystic ovarian diseases. So don't forget pulsatilla. Another remedy is the staphysagrina. As we know that staphysagrina is used for the cystitis, especially in the honeymoon cystitis. If we cure the cystitis, it will help to fertile. So when there is the history of having cystitis, you can use the staphysagrina. In staphysagrina, there is the thick cervical mucus secretion. And in staphysagrina, there is the spasm of the vagina. And due to the spasm of the vagina, no sperm going into the vagina. Another important remedy is the phosphorus. Phosphorus is the main remedy for the anxiety and stress. When there is the cause of infertility is anxiety and the stress, and there is the in phosphorus there is irresistible desire for the sex, and involuntary emission with lascivious dreams is the characteristic of the phosphorus. Involuntary emission with the lascivious dreams. In female, you will find uterine polyp. Another most important remedy is the buforana. In bufo, you will find there is the involuntary emission, and the discharges are the very quick. You will find there is the spasm of the coition, and all the complaints are due to the effects of the onanism. Another remedy is the subal cerulata. Subal cerulata is used for the complaints of the ovaries. In ovaries are enlarged and the tender ovaries. And in subal cerulata, you will find there is the suppressed or the perverted sexual desire. Another important remedy is the sabina. Sabina is mainly used when there is the recurrent abortions. When there is infertility due to the recurrent abortions, and abortion especially at the third month of the pregnancy, you can use sabina. In sabina, there is also find inflammation of the ovaries and uterus. After abortion, inflammation of the ovaries and uterus after the abortion is the main theme of the sabina. Another remedy is the natrum. Natrum phos. In natrum phos, you will find there is the honey colored vaginal discharge and acrid vaginal discharge. In natrum phos, due to the acrid vaginal discharge, they kills the sperm, and so there is infertility. As we already saw that another remedy which is borax, which kills the sperm due to the its acrid and acidic discharge. So there is need to the individualization. So we have to take whole case. Another mother tincture is Damiana Q, is used impotency from the nervous exhaustion. In Damiana, there is a reduced sex drive and mental and physical weakness. Damiana Q is mainly used with the another constitutional remedies like Agnus cactus, Lycopodium, Natrum carp, Calcarea carp. Damiana Q is given with the constitutional remedy to increase the sperm count. As I already told that homeopathy is based on the individualistic approach. So always consult your nearest homeopathic doctor and take your proper treatment. Thank you for watching. And if you are homeopath and you have any good experience with the homeopathic medicines, please write down it into the comment box, so it will be help to learn me. So thank you, and the motto of this video is learn homeopathy, grow homeopathy, and the spread homeopathy. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.